Me better. Portable, 13-inch opening. We have an M10 rivet nut, spins on, about finger's length. This is called the screwdriver. Basically, you just give a little force in and watch it crimp. Just like that. Very easy to use, very easy to set up. We're going to show you how to change the M bit for another bit. We're going to show you how to install it on a piece of metal and what it's about. If it's something that you are looking for your toolkit, check out Better Metal. From the company Better Metal. It's a rivet tool. We're going to unbox it, show you what you get inside. A nice case in blue, opens up. You have your instruction guide to go over in detail from M5, M6, M8, M10, and M12 rivets. A multi-tool to loosen up the nut on top. The Better Metal handle expands up to 13 inches in width with the nuts and the screwdriver replacement rivet heads. Strength is required to squeeze to make your rivets. This is the screwdriver that turns. Aluminum alloyed, metal handles, PVC handles, large on the bottom to grip and squeeze. We're going to take this apart and change out from one M to the other M for the rivet nut and show you how to squeeze them. To give you another look in how the rivet closed up, we're going to open up the arm, screw down the rivet, and over here it's going to compress together when I squeeze. The rivet's made. Changing out the M5 through M12 is very easy. Simply open up some, grab the bottom thumb bolt and pull down and away from the tool. You're given a tool that you could align up or simply grab the top head, push down, and spin off the bottom nut. With the tool, place on the top head nut and loosen. When it's loosened, you're going to simply turn off and remove. There will be a spring and a nut. This is the M12. Simply place the spring on top, diameter into the head facing the bottom, pushing out of the hole and placing back on the silver nut. And then placing the cover back on by sliding up. With the M12 nut on top, slide over and align center by opening up the handle somewhat and screwing down. With the adjustment tool, place back on the nut and tighten up. And you're ready for the M12 rivet. With an M12 rivet, take out of the bag and place on. Open the 13-inch wide handle and screw down. Leave a gap so when you're ready to press, it's going to crimp. Some strength is required, and it crimps just like that. Release and unscrew. This is the screw bolt called the screwdriver. It unscrews and releases. A close-up look at the rivet. Once again, screw on, handle open, squeeze as it closes up. Better metal, portable, secure, M5, 6, 8, 10, 12 nuts. The double handle screwdriver for all your needs and tools. Easy to squeeze and close in a very easy step. I hope this is a tool that you're looking for your nut rivets. Thank you for viewing.